Alright guys, today another video. What's in the box? I was in the market for a ring light because sometimes when I record my other videos and these videos, it's a bit dark in my place. So I needed a ring light. I done some research and this one came highly recommended on Amazon Prime, and it was also available on sale on Black Friday. So I thought I'll give it a go, and here's a video today to show you what's inside this guy's box. The tripod looks really nice. There was someone goes up there and other ones looked unsteady, so that's why I went for this one. Also, the size of the ring was important to me. I didn't want to go for something really small, and I didn't want to pay over the top prices. I think I paid approximately £22 for this. I'll leave a link below and I'll let you know. All right, so first of all, you've got these are arms. So this one has 3 phone holders. So these are arms for attaching these things, okay? And then the phone holder. So you've got 3 of them. Wow, that's a lot, isn't it? You've got some thumbnails, thumb screws. You've got remote for Android, iOS to connect via Bluetooth to control your phone. You've got USB charging for this guy, so you could attach a battery bank and have this on. Looks really good quality. Okay, so keep that to one side. You've got your tripod. Wow, that's really light. So undo this and then that will slide there more easily. Good. Now, what I've already noticed is really absolutely brilliant. There's something, a hook here, and you can attach weight to stabilize this tripod even more. That's brilliant. Wow, that is fantastic, guys. I've seen £15, £20 tripods not as stable and as good quality as this. So undo, you've got a 3/4 inch screw there, so you can attach your camera. Obviously it's designed for that guy. You could use it for your camera as well. I'll definitely be taking this with me and using it for my camera for remote locations and not take my really big tripod. Oh yeah, you just pull it out, my bad. I think I was being a bit too soft. Wow, that is really good. That's easily 5 foot tall. So I'll play around with this. In the remote, there seems to be a little instruction, tiny little one. All I can see is Chinese writing. Okay, so this is in Chinese and I don't read Chinese, so oh, there's English at the back, just telling you basically how to change the battery and so on. All right, so there's not much instructions for how to use this. I've got another pack here. Oh, it's a ball socket 3/4 for changing angles and so on. So you could attach that there and attach then that to the ring light to get different angles quick, or you can attach the ring light straight to, let me show you where. So you can attach the ring light straight to that screw, or you can attach this chap to here and then attach the ring to there, ring light, and here at different angles. This is 3/4 inch there and a cold shoe here to slide into here. So 2 of the phone holders is cold shoe there and there, and one of them is a threaded one, phone holder. But I won't be using this with a phone holder, I just need the light. So if you are looking to do I don't know, makeup or vlog type and you want this and you're doing with your camera phone, so you'd attach your phone there. So there, and then you attach your phone. And I bet this is spring loaded. Yep. So there we go. How big is it? Oh, it can easily take one of the biggest phones. Brilliant. All right guys, I'll go and play around with this and use it, and then I'll come back and let you know how good this is. You've got up, down, on, off, and different modes. So it does all these different modes. You've got cool light, warm light, and so on, different other things. It comes with many different settings. Here's the ring light. So you got different settings: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you've got 10 different settings of dimming, and then you got different modes, another 10 different settings, and that's the other one. It's absolutely brilliant. So it's definitely well worth it, guys. If you're looking for a ring light, I would highly recommend this one with all the stuff that it comes with and the different modes and everything else. These things seem to be very static and attracting dust and other things. So I've got a static dusting sheets. I'll just use that. Absolutely brilliant. Also on the back, you've got this hanging hook. So you can hang it on a wall or somewhere with a little hook anyway. So brilliant. Really pleased with this. If you're looking for a ring light, maybe consider this. I'll leave a link. Until then, take care guys. Catch you soon.